Hi guys. So in today's session, we're looking at a general data set which speaks about countries, the all-time records, the performance in the Olympics. And we're going to be looking at it from the lens of two different persons. So we have category A will be for awesome, and we have category B, bells. So category A, they share a common boss or something like that and asks us, hey, so can I have the details for a country like Kenya? I want to know how well they've performed. So this category A, the normal view, it looks and scrolls and remembers, hey, I know the feature, find in Excel. Awesome guy. So he does this, when he comes here, he types Kenya, clicks find all, gets a result, says, oh boss, I have it. So Kenya kind of has to move this a bit. Say Kenya, 39 gold medals, 44 silver, 41 bronze medals, gives the value here. The boss says, oh, that's good. Can I also have something for Algeria? So he comes in, she comes in, types, say Algeria, and this going pretty well. And then another person says, I'm not really sure of the country, but I think the capital, it should be Paris. No, we know Paris. But then it comes in here at the time, it says, oh, Paris, and it comes to see, oh, Paris, that's France, and it gets the detail, and it just gives it to the boss, say in a meeting or something, in a phone call, and it gives that information. Say, what about for Europe? It types all of this. Category A. Awesome, right? Yeah. Let's see what category B Bells has to offer. We have Bells here. So Bells just comes in here, say Abuja, says what do you want? Same similar example, Kenya. So it says Kenya, says that. Say what do you want? Paris, says that. Say, oh, I'm not really sure, but can I see something for all of the countries in Africa? Say type Africa, and he just gets all of this here. Fill that out based on Africa. I don't know if you like it, the formatting and all of it says, can I get for Nigeria? Same stuff here. So let me know what you think. Category A, category B. Either way, let's excel together.
Subscribe for more content.